The report published earlier this month on the CGTN Facebook page read, "Great chance of big earthquake next year in Namibia, scientist warns." It further says that scientists predict an earthquake in Namibia next year.
Of predictions for earthquakes, there has been advance in researchers in this field, but up to now there hasn't been any breakthrough because you need three elements in order to do any prediction. One is the location of that earthquake. Secondly, you need to give the precise date and time. And thirdly, you need to give out the magnitude.
He outlined that Namibia does have a history of small earthquakes occurring more than twice, especially in areas such as Kamanyap, Walvis Bay, and also around Windhoek and Okahanja.
When an earthquake happens, it's very difficult to prepare for it because the waves that are generated, when they are generated, they travel at a very high speed. So what usually causes small disasters is buildings, okay, when they fall on people or any built structures. So now, if you know that in this area, this is the earthquakes that are happening, that usually happen in this area, from historical records, then what usually people do is civil engineers, they design structures that can withstand those type of earthquakes.
Although it is hard to prepare for these natural disasters, Lushitile says that the Ministry of Mines and Energy has invested heavily in research and technologies that will be helpful to the Geological Survey to keep up to date with the happenings of earthquakes. In the case of an earthquake, it is advisable that one stays indoors, under tables, or stand close by an exit to be able to escape when the building collapses, and also keep away from power lines or anything that can fall during the event. The largest earthquake to ever occur in Namibia was in August 2009. This earthquake recorded a magnitude of 5.6, measured on the Richter scale. The earthquake occurred in the Erongo region around the area of Uis. Julai Nafuka, NBC News, Windhoek.